Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a pot of seaweed tofu egg drop soup. So let's get started. Let's review the ingredients here. I have a piece of dried seaweed, and I like to use the seaweed round. And this one says it has no sand. Other brands may have a little grit in it. Tofu, green onions, eggs, seasoning salt mix, white pepper, sesame oil, and chicken stock. For the prep, let's start with just cutting the tofu. I'm going to split the block in half and cut it in half once again, and just cut it in little squares. And for the green onions, we'll just mince it. Okay, so next let's crack the eggs. We'll give it a quick whisk. Okay, that's it. And for the seaweed, I'm not going to use the entire round. I'm just going to use a third of it, because this cooks up to be a lot. So all we're going to do is just break the seaweed up. Okay, so now all the prep is done. Let's start making the soup. Okay, to start we need to bring the soup stock up to a boil. I have it on medium heat right now. And we're going to add the tofu. And the tofu is cooked already, so we just essentially need to warm it up. And just let this simmer for about a minute. Okay, so after a minute, we'll add the eggs. Just slowly stream it in. And mix it gently. Next, add the seaweed. And the seaweed cooks up very quickly. And we'll add the seasoning. Bit of the seasoning salt. We'll add a bit of white pepper. Dash of sesame oil. And the green onions. Turn the flame off, and the soup is ready. And it really just took a couple minutes to cook. And that looks good. Give it a quick taste to adjust the seasonings. And that's good. So let's serve up a bowl. And here we have a gorgeous bowl of seaweed tofu egg drop soup. This quick and easy soup is both delicious and healthy. Enjoy! Let's see if Shadow likes it. Ooh, yummy. She likes tofu and seaweed. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy.